What's up, everybody? It's Troy Noka. I'm working on a new album. I'm independent, so I have to go out and buy my own camera and shoot the video myself. It was a little tricky, but sometimes you gotta just grab the wheel and make it happen.
We need reparations from this nation. Education, innovation, meditation, motivation. That's how we change up the situation for generations. Information, that's how we get our liberation. That's how we stop all the separation.
Man, you know, this is the life of the party shoot. Got my boy Space, Low Life, Troy. We're gonna make it do what it do. You know, we got the house in Hollywood Hills. And, you know, we independent.
We independent.
Entertainment,
You know what I'm saying?
No label, we just putting it together. I'll be showing you how to make a music video with a small budget or no budget and make your vision come to life.
Self-made, man.
First thing first, we need a concept. My concept was a house party, and the theme was distractions. I found a location that fit the concept, found a house on Airbnb, but you could easily be more resourceful and use a friend's place or your own place. After seeing the video, usually the reaction is, that looks hard, like that was hard to do. I got tired of waiting on labels, managers, directors, so I went out and bought my own gear. Before that, I'm spending $5,000 per video, and sometimes I wasn't happy with the results. So you can do it too. Here's the gear we used. So I used the Blackmagic Cinema Camera 4K and the GoPro 8 for like the tight spaces. The lenses was the Panasonic Lumix 12 to 35 millimeter, and I had a fisheye Samyang 8 millimeter. So after buying the camera, I knew that I needed somebody to hold the camera for me. So I brought in my good friend Spaceboy Fresh from Dallas. He's a rapper too. He shoots for Erykah Badu. So I knew I had to add him to the crew so we can make it do what it do.
Okay, let's be real. This is going great. Let me step outside. The energy, changing clothes and things of that nature. This whole goddamn, you got the nerve to have the goddamn paddles in here for this. Anyway. Just as nervous as he always is about everything.
Step one is preparation is key. So I planned out each scene on paper and then found places in the house that matched the vibe of the pictures on my tree. When the scene on the paper was shot, I crossed it out and focused on the next shot. And it didn't need to be in order, I just had to be mindful if it was a shot that needed to be done at night or in the daytime to know what order I wanted to film things.
But then what about the symmetry? Because it's not wide enough to really catch all that, you know what I'm saying?
You could try it, bro. You could. There we go.
Footage? Crazy.
So do you guys typically work together, like when you're shooting stuff?
I've never worked with Troy.
Really?
This is my first time working.
Everything is new. It was like
Okay.
it was like a vision that
Yeah.
just came together. Step two is lighting. One of the most important things to get the cinematic look is the lighting. So I hired a light guy. So I didn't want to cut corners there. But if you don't have a budget to get a lighting guy, then shoot while the sun is up and use natural light, and it's just as beautiful.
Keep chill, don't give me no problems. I got a German girl that like Robin, and they all showed up and start swabbing. Oh well. Light up when we walk in the door. Leave it up at the door. Everybody I know.
Put your hand right here first. I just want to get some detail unless you
Okay.
want this shit.
Oh no,
Raining on the
let's
shit.
get it. Yeah, no, let's get it. I'm just making sure we are getting in that shit too.
You touch that side of that thing?
Can you see the pins in the shot?
No.
Okay, let me know because it's only 2 and it was 3.
I can't see no pins.
Okay,
Go
cool.
straight on that paper.
All right, I'm gonna type what I.
Step 3 was to be creative and fluid. If an idea doesn't work exactly how you pictured it, be willing to try something else that works but doesn't sacrifice the actual integrity of the idea. But just be flexible and be willing to make changes.
As I like, all of them are off, right?
Different colors.
And as I pass it, it turns on as I pass it.
You gotta be kind of tricky. They'll take me some.
Yeah, I was just about to say, send it around.
Like I could walk slow or something, but it'll be like, okay, each step change color. So when I'm here, it's like baby blue. And then when I'm here, it's like pink. And then when I'm here, it's purple, like baby blue and pink together.
Okay, well, I can do that as you're walking. I'll
Yeah.
start changing. I
Okay,
can do that.
so just 3 colors.
Yeah.
So it's real specific, so it doesn't look like
Pink,
baby blue, baby pink, baby blue, and then purple.
no purple.
Pink, then boom, then boom. Yeah, exactly.
Cool. Yeah, I can do that.
Okay.
Step 4 was keeping things interesting. And we did that with angles and using different type of techniques from handheld to gimbal to tripod. And we would decide what it needed before we chose to shoot, going off of the emotion of the scene. For example, if you're shooting something still, maybe put it on a tripod so it looks still. Like when I was watching TV, or the shot that was more smooth, like the bed scene, we used the gimbal. Make sure we got the smooth shot.
Gonna shoot lights through this? Yeah. That's crazy to create the peephole, shoot the lights. Yeah, space. Exactly.
The hell? What the hell is that?
What, Larry? Is that you?
Larry, is that you?
Rick. When old folks be calling the whole damn family.
Right.
The GoPro really came in handy. I was able to shoot shots like underwater, action shots, and not worry about putting a more expensive camera in jeopardy. So GoPro is really good. It also shoots at 4K, so matching the quality of the footage was really easy.
Camera's rolling.
Step 5 is to stay positive. It could look intimidating or exhausting, but the perspective you choose decides if you're able to finish strong or not. So choose a perspective that's positive and keep going. Like,
Yeah. Life is good. It's blessed. Be able to shoot this. You know. God's good. We got abundance. In the corona situation. You know, I ain't got my mask on because I'm shooting right now. Where everybody else got their mask on, but nah, it's a blessing to be able to just make things happen, man. Have a vision and be able to make it happen. Have the resources. I know all good stuff comes from God, so I'm happy.
Show them the gold. Show them you're blessed.
Yes.
You know? Camera's rolling. And action.
Are you okay?
You can smell them legs, though, can't you?
Yeah. Exactly. Yeah, I'm
I see your point. I see your point.
Yeah,
That's all. Style to it.
Yeah, you trying to do it again or what?
No, that was good.
Where he at?
Where she at right now?
Right there?
It was definitely in front.
crazy, crazy, crazy. That boy's face behind the camera. Terry on did his thing. Yeah. Amazing. You won't see it. Watch the whole thing.
Swimming in $1,000 suit. crazy.
Nah, that's
Now you just ran this rap.
That's a wrap.
That's how we get off the plantation. That's how we get off the plantation. Change the frequency, change the station. Stop the